Mitsubishi 3000gt SL. My socials, my Instagram is Caitlin Lean, and my car Instagram is K8_3000gt. And then my TikTok is Caitlin Lean. Well, this car has been in my family for over 15 years, but it's been really neglected and like just not garage, sitting in the backyard and just aging. And then 6 months ago I saw it, and then I was bored because Corona, you know. I saw it and I was like, hey Dad, can I have it? And he's like, yeah, just if anything you want to do it, you have to pay for it yourself. You gotta do your own thing, you know. I'm not gonna pay a cent. You can have the car, but it's your responsibility. And then I built her, you know. Well, performance-wise, I recently installed D2 RS series coilovers, and then I also have the NK Eluto wheels. I don't actually know the exact specs, but they're 18-inch. And I also have stainless steel brake lines. Cosmetic-wise, I have a lot of cosmetics done because, you know, pretty. I have all my emblems wrapped. I have pink halo fog lights as well as the LED fog lights on the bottom. It's like a bar. And then I have my turn signals, which are clear and LED. I also have Type S underglow, a cherry blossom livery, a cherry blossom banner, and then inside I have a custom-made cherry blossom resin shift knob that took me 2 tries to make, and then just stickers everywhere. I'm planning on installing a new brake set, like rotors, calipers, and all, and then I probably want to get a new intake, and as well as the most important thing I want to get is an exhaust system, because this one right now is kind of an exhaust leak that I created with washers.
Oh,
but we don't talk about that.
Wow.
And then maybe in like the very far future, I want to get a turbo, because zoom zoom. Thanks for watching. You can follow me at Caitlin Lean on Instagram, and then K8_3000gt for my car on Instagram, and Caitlin Lean on TikTok. Oh, Mitsubishi.